Another beautiful day and afternoon here in our lives. We have to be grateful for each and everything. We have the Mankurad mangoes here in Goa. So why should we eat organic fruit? If you take the simple mango, besides using all the other chemical pesticides, they use something called Kaltar. This is placed about 2 feet below the ground into the feeder roots. And you can imagine this is supposed to stimulate the flowering of it's a retardant which stimulates the flowering of the mango flowers. But what it does is it can completely make the mango tree, the branches, everything very brittle, and you can imagine what it's doing to our bones and everything when we consume it. So that's not the only thing. About 10 days before, for the fruit fly, again you have a lot of chemicals being sprayed, whereas a good organic farmer would be washing the mangoes in about 55 degrees with some salt water, and this alone is great. So you have so many things, including then for the ripening in chemical practices. What is done is, of course, heavy antifungals are being used before as well as after on the fruit, so it can stay longer. And then for the ripening, they use ethylene gas, which makes it look yellow and orange outside, but inside it's actually sour and not sweet. And the worst is when you have carbide crystals which are being used, and that is absolute poison because it's usually contaminated with arsenic, which is lethal, and a heavy metal which is super poisonous to every part of our body, including our nervous system. So we have our own mangoes from my neighbor, and the rest we bought all this from an old lady whose tree we know here. So you're better off buying from friends and small farmers where it's organic, because the flavors are so much more and it's really much better for you. Why should we support all these big supermarkets and chains when we can support small organic local farmers? So switch over to SLOW food, slow food rather than fast food, which is seasonal, local, organic, and whole food rather than processed. So the other thing which we can actually enjoy today is I'm teaching you to make an easy ice cream. All of us love ice cream, but the dairy in it is not so great. As a doctor, much later in life, I found out that the reason many times I would really have this mucus coming down my throat since childhood was because of the milk I was drinking. And the moment I knew when I was a doctor, I said, no, I have to stop it. And then even in ENT, we think sinus disease, a lot of it is actually coming from the milk. The moment the milk goes into the gut, there's a huge release of histamine. And then this histamine causes all the mucus secretion, swelling up of the mucosa, the acidity, the reflux, a lot of migraines. So just turning vegan could be really great for you. So here's the yummy, delicious ice cream which I'm going to teach you. So the first thing is these are organic cashew nuts, because again cashews, they use a lot of endosulfan and other cashew nuts. Lots of the cashews in India are actually being imported from Africa. So please make sure you buy Indian, local, organic cashews. So these cashews, take about a cup or a bowl full and soak it in water. And after 4 hours of soaking it in water like this, you can see, so now it's a live activated cashew. So this cashew nut, then what we would do is empty the water, put 3.5 cups of water, and then make a cashew milk. So that's kept aside. And the other thing is we take 3 bananas and a cup full of mango. So you can see already we have sliced the bananas and frozen it. And the same thing again, these are all Ramu's Garden Mankurad mangoes. You can see it's about a bowl full again of the mangoes. And then the next ingredient is cardamom. You can see this is the cardamom pods, and about a teaspoon you you roast and grind it, and with a mortar and pestle, and then maybe 2 teaspoons of honey. That's it. So these are just the ingredients, and what you would do is take everything, blend it, put it in the freezer, and in 4 hours you have the most delicious, divine ice cream. You can play around with any of the ingredients, but I promise you, you're going to love it, and write to me once you've had it. When you've combined the deliciousness and the health of summer fruits like bananas and mangoes and everything yummy, making it special, and it's actually a dairy-free, healthy, fantastic ice cream. Again, no sugar in it. So what else can be more yummy than eating such clean food? So enjoy this new experience of cleaning your body, and I promise you it's going to be great. Thank you so much.